This right here is not just another picture frame, it's honestly one of the coolest gadgets that you can get for your desktop setup, and not only is going to look pretty cool, but it's packed with a ton of smart features and fully customizable creativity that it all fits into a really cool stylish display. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Santi with the Tech Utopia team. Today I'm here to present you the Divoom time frame. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, it is worth mentioning that the time frame is part of the Divoom Big Black Friday deals, so it's the perfect time for you to go and get one. Today I'm checking out something that is perfect for any setup, the Divoom time frame. It's a smart pixel art frame that doubles as decor, entertainment, and a productivity companion, all in one clean design. Now, the first thing that you'll notice is the minimalist approach and the vintage-inspired design. It's got a sturdy metal frame with a customizable RGB display and that glossy pixel screen that it just pulls attention whether you're on the desk, the wall, or a nightstand. Now, it looks pretty cool when it's off, but it honestly looks even better when it's powered up and it really comes to life. Now, some of these great features from the time frame, it comes with a smart pixel display that you can display pixel animations, custom artwork, or even upload your own designs through the Divoom app.
Is a beats.
There's a massive online community full of pixel art creators, and you can find everything from gaming icons to animated clocks or design your own. The time frame also works with a functional smart display, showing the time, the weather, notifications, music visualizers, and even social media follower count. Now, it's basically your creative dashboard that makes your setup feel alive. Not only that, it has a built-in speaker, it's got a clear mid-tones, solid bass, and connects instantly to your phone, your tablet, or your laptop. And you can play your favorite playlist, sync your visual effects with the music, or use it as a hands-free speaker for your workspace. Now, everything is handled through the Divoom app, where you can control the brightness, upload your art or your own pictures, and browse thousands of community creations. It's easy to use, fast to sync, and surprisingly fun to explore. Now, I've been using it in my desk and around the house, and honestly, it adds personality to the whole setup. Now, I've got it showing my pictures and some of this retro pixel animations that it look pretty nice, but most of the time I have it either on stocks, cryptocurrency, or my YouTube channel. Now, to me, what stands out about the Divoom time frame is the fact that you can mix up the art, the sound, and even the really smart functional features that are not only smart, but they're very functional in that it all combines it into one really cool looking display. So it's not just another piece of decor, another frame, another picture frame. It's interactive, it's customizable, and is built so it can fit your personality. And you can match it to any style, to any vibe, whether it's cozy, minimalist, colorful, whatever your style is. And since it's Black Friday season, Divoom is offering major discounts across the entire lineup, including the time frame, the pixel, and other fan favorites. So if you've been looking to elevate your setup or find that creative gift, I think it's the perfect time to do it. Get yourself one of these Divoom time frame. Check out the link in the description below. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.